Well, I have a kit ready to unbox. So do you want to see?
I'm so excited. Yes.
So Mindy, I think, can really relate that like her packaging game is always on point. And so I love beautiful packaging so that when you receive the kit, it looks like a gift, right? That you can open. So and I have to just brag on this ribbon. So this is vintage ribbon. It's at least 50 years old. It's velvet, and it was made in Switzerland.
Oh, that's really
Uh,
fun.
not every package will have the same color, but I did buy a lot of vintage velvet ribbon.
Oh, that's really cool.
So just makes it fun.
That's
And
beautiful.
um, and then this is your yarn, which is like this amazing sort of coral peach. Do you remember the name of it?
That's been majestic climb.
Love
Mhm.
it. Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
And actually, I forgot. I'm including your label, your ball band in every kit because um, tell everyone what's special about your ball bands.
Oh, yes. So I print all of my yarn label wraps on wildflower, plantable wildflower seed paper. So you can actually plant that paper in some soil and grow your own little miniature wildflower patch. And
Yes,
you can do that inside in a window or you could do it outside as well. So,
yeah, and I can attest. So when quarantine started and I was spending a lot more time at home, I actually planted your seed paper in a blueberry pint container. So
yay!
it has the drainage already, and I put some soil
Yeah.
in, and I have a beautiful plant. So what has it been? It's been almost 6 months since quarantine
Yeah.
started, and that little wildflower seed. I'm more of a city girl, and I've never grown anything from a seed like that is still alive 6 months later.
Yay! That's awesome. That makes
So
me so happy.
I'll have to show it to you on a future video because it's my Mindy plant. Yeah.
Oh, I would love to see it. I would love to see it. Oh,
Anyway,
beautiful.
video cannot do justice how bouncy, how gorgeous, how soft and squishy and satisfying your yarn is. And even just wearing it around our necks, like you can feel the quality, you can feel that I don't know how to say it, except it's like it's natural. It doesn't feel synthetic. And I know there's nothing about it that is synthetic, but it just feels like you're connected to the earth. Not to get all woo-woo on us, but it's just like warm. It's a real pleasure to work in the hands. Um, so the yarn is the showstopper for this project. Everything else is just what you need to make the kit. So we've got size 7 needles. We've got the pattern. And then when you buy the kit, you also get the pattern online. So you
Mm.
can add it to Ravelry. You can store it in a folder if you lose this or you need to print it out again. You got it. We have a muslin project bag to keep your yarn clean while you're knitting. Here we go.
Beautiful.
We have a little bit of Eucalyptus wash. So after, this is just enough to block your scarf. So after it is all knitted and you're ready to block it, you put this no rinse wash in your basin or your sink, and you soak the yarn in it, and then it just like keeps everything like clean, prevents pests and that kind of thing. And I'm just double checking. I do have like complete blocking instructions in the pattern. What else do I have? And then the finishing touches is just we have a guarantee card and we have a tapestry needle to weave in the ends at the end. Um,
That's everything you need. That's
everything you
truly
need, right?
everything you need. Yeah, that's a great kit, Kari. I love it.
Thank you. And and furthermore, if you have any trouble, like some people really like to learn by video, or, or maybe the way that I've written it down just doesn't quite gel. You can email me, and I've been known to like jump on a video just like this and actually like help people through if they run into any trouble. Um, so yeah, so it's like the whole experience.
That's really great. And I mean, just the knowing that, if I had problems that I could just send you an email and you would do this for me, that's amazing. That's like having my own personal instructor, help
Yeah,
instructor. That's
yeah, for
fantastic.
sure. And you know, someday maybe we'll have to have a few people on call to answer questions, but with luck and with really clear patterns, people should be fine.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.